Hey, good morning everybody. Another beautiful day here in Florida. Today we have two jobs on the schedule. We have a house and a driveway. The house is pretty bad condition. You'll see it when we get there. The other one is another house and driveway, but it's a townhouse and it's only the end. So 3 sides plus the driveway and sidewalk. So I hope everybody's having a great day, and we will see you at the job. Okay guys, we just got to the job site. Let's walk around and take a look, see what we got today. All that algae up there. Got these walls, all that along there. I think we're gonna take these off, get all that too. It's pretty bad. Let's see, it'll all come up nice when we're done with it. Might hit this shed here for him too. Starting to get a little bit on there. Got algae along the back there. Got a cracked window, we gotta watch out for that. Wow. Got all that along that top part. That'll all come up really nice. With this little patio, I guess, too, since we're out here. Not doing anything inside there. And look at this. Alright. Needs a little bit of woodwork done to it, too. A homemade camera. Oh boy. Okay. An open window? Yeah, we got an open window. This side's not too bad. Leaking backflow. Get all this. Front of the house isn't too bad. We're gonna hit this sidewalk here, and then the driveway. All right, we're just about done here now. Boy, it's a hot one out here today. It's got to be 104 degrees, the heat index. Anyway, let's take a look and see how she turned out. Here's the side with all that green on there. We took those curtains down, took them out front, washed them down for them. Oh yeah, so much better. He was afraid he'd have to paint the house right away, but I think he might be able to get by with it for a little bit longer now. Let's see. come around the back. All that stuff up there is all gone. Oh yeah, so much better. I ended up doing this little shed for him. Just got some of that green off of the front, not a big deal. Alright, we'll finish off the front and that'll be it. Alright, so let's take a look at the front. Yeah, so much better. Still a little wet out here and just doing a little bit of spot treating. A couple areas that were really difficult. But we hit these little stones for them. I mean, no big deal, but you can't have a nice looking house and then have the stones. Yep, side looking good. Sidewalks and gutters. Yeah, I think that edger, I like that idea of the edger. Gives it a little bit finished look. We just ran along with that edger that we got and just kind of cleaned everything up a little bit. It makes it look so much better. Okay, well that's it for now. We're off to job number 2. We'll see you there. Okay guys, here we are at the second job today. I'll show you what we got here. Just a small little driveway. Not too bad. Gutters. A walkway. Coming around here. Little painted porch. Again, gutters. We'll get those cleaned up. Now this is where the fun starts. The gutters, because of these trees, the gutters are so full. If you look, there's actually little trees growing out. Anyway, so we're going to wash the house, but first we're going to get the gutters cleaned. You can see a lot of mess up there. But with all these trees, there's not a whole lot you can do about that. And then while we're here, this actually goes into the neighbor's house. We're actually going to do this at no additional charge because the gutters end right there and they're all connected. So we'll just go ahead and hit those. So that's our little project for this afternoon. Hopefully we get this knocked out before the rain comes. I just thought I'd show you what the inside of these gutters look like. They are filled to the brim. Anyway, I just thought I'd show you that so you can get a better perspective. Okay, so we're all done here. Gutters are all clean. Let's walk around. I'll show you guys. Sidewalk and drive. Gutters are all oxidized up there though. Walkway. Look how bad that's oxidized. Nothing we can do with that. Oh yeah. Much nicer, brighter. Nice and clean. Trees are all gone. All brightened back up. And then in the back. We started doing a little test spot for some gutter brightening here and had the customer come out, but he wants us to just come back in the fall and just remove the gutters altogether. So he wants to just take them off the house. But at any rate, that's kind of an example of what gutter brightening can do for you. Okay, well, that's a wrap for this one. Hey, please remember, if you're liking these videos, please subscribe to our channel. It helps us grow. Plus, if you leave in the comments the things that you're looking for, videos that you would like to see, we're more than happy to make videos and additional things and show you what we do in our business. Anyway, have a great day.